Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're planning out the week of May 17th through the 23rd. This is my birthday week. It is graduation. It is the last week of school. It is all the things. So I'm going to modify my spread a little bit to reflect all of that. Also going to modify my goals in that I'm not doing them. I'm just not doing them this week. I'm going to enjoy the week, and that's it. I'm not going to focus on anything but just being in the moment, enjoying the last week with my students and with our graduates, and enjoying my birthday, turning 37 this year, which feels a little older, but age is just a number, right? Yeah, so I have a really cute kit this week, and I feel like it works really well for like all of the celebrations happening. So this is an older kit called Celebrate from Scribble Prints Co. The one I'm using in my memory planner is also from SPC, and it's so cute. And it's actually like a graduation and birthday kit, so that one's going to be so cute. But I really am going to enjoy this one as well. And it's just got a lot of like celebration stuff, so it kind of fits the theme of the week. So here is the full box page. This is the mini kit. Got a bunch of deco, which I'm totally going to use. Super cute. Some glitter headers, which I don't really use those anymore, but maybe I can find a use for them this week. Some boxes and labels. And then the bottom washi, which I am going to have to cut this down, but I can make it work. And some headers, not headers, date covers. And then it also came with this extra box, with which I think that I want to use because she's using a little cat pen. It's so cute. So I think I'm going to use this one in the spread too. I don't know which. I know I'm not going to use this one or these two, but I kind of want to just use. Anyway, we're going to figure it out. I've pulled a bunch of stickers for this week because I knew like all of the stuff that's going on. Not these boxes, those are left over from a different spread. But I just pulled a bunch of things that I can use this week. So that's the plan. Oh, all right, let's get into it. So I'm going to cut down this bottom washi basically in half and just use this smaller strip. I have found that that is the easiest way to figure out like the sizing situation over here, and it works really well with like standard vertical kits. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of deco. I love deco in kits, and so I'm really happy to use some deco this week. And I'm just adding it to that little washi section. I didn't really space them out right, but it's fine. I'm looking for a colored dot marker to match this kit, and all of the ones that I have are too bright. The colors are kind of muted a little bit in this kit, so I went with my trusty gray. I feel like I've been using the gray a lot lately, but it just seems to match a lot of kits, and so I just went with that. And then onto the sidebar, I pulled my monthly script stickers from Planning Roses and then a couple of full boxes. I didn't put a cleaning list in this week because it wasn't going to happen. It just wasn't. And so I accepted it, I moved on, and I put in a full box instead, which looks really cute. And so then I also put in a full box at the top and the monthly script sticker up there at the top. Then I just used the this week header along with a 3-heart checklist for my top 3 this week instead of using like top 3 sticker. And then I just filled in a little bit with a glitter header and then threw in some more of that deco, which is really cute. And then I'm just going to put a little champagne bottle over on my little highlight box. So for my top 3 this week, it is budget, call my family, which I did on my birthday, and then I just marked so many celebrations for my highlight this week. I also added memory keeping to my top 3, which I still haven't done, but if it doesn't get done this week, I'll get it done early next week. So I'm just cutting down these full boxes since they are the vertical full boxes. I'm just kind of trimming them a little bit to make them fit a little better. So I have a little bit more room in my columns. And luckily, these make it really easy because I can cut down the bottom part of the girls' boxes and then I can just trim the flat lays really easily. So I just put the girls kind of on opposite pages, and then I'm just going to fill in with some other boxes in a minute. So I decided kind of last minute to add some foil to this spread. I mean, it's my birthday spread. It's also graduation week. I thought that might be fun. And so I pulled some Sadie's stickers numbers. I do have a code for her shop. I'll leave that down below for you if you'd like to use it. And I just pulled the ones that are the circle with the bow on the top. I just think they're kind of dainty and cute and went with this kit really well. And then I also pulled some corners, and I also decided for the boxes that I'm leaving like full, like, oh, I'm not cutting them down, I'm going to pull some overlays. So I just gathered some foiled bits here that I can use in the spread, and then here I am grabbing some overlays. I decided to go pretty simple with my foiling this week. I didn't want to overwhelm it because the kit itself is pretty busy. So I just kind of wanted to lay low a little bit on the foil. So I just grabbed a little simple box here and then one other box. Well, really two, but I cut it down. And then I'll put corners on some of the other boxes. I really love this one with the little dots. I think that's so cute. And then this one with the box is just a very classic one that I use pretty often. Just running my ruler over it to make sure that it's not cloudy. And then I'm just going to add a little corner to this one. It just adds a little something extra. And then I'm going to put down my date covers. I put them just a little bit into the column, but not much. And this week I was I wasn't that careful in putting down my date covers. So they're all crooked. I don't know if you can tell, but they are all somewhat crooked. It's totally fine. So here's where I'm kind of planning out where I want to put my other full boxes. So like I said, I put the girls kind of opposite of each other, and then I put in this flat lace sticker on Thursday, and then I'm going to put in one on Friday as well. So here, I'm just going to cut this overlay in half and just use both halves, but on different boxes. And if you run the ruler over it very gently, then it makes it not cloudy and you can't even tell that you just used half an overlay. And this one looked perfect. Like, it totally matched up with the balloon. That was just lucky. And then I'm just going to add a little corner to that box there. Okay, so going to the actual plans, I'm going to, I wanted to add a little bow to the May, just for a little something extra. So for my videos this week, we're going to start with the actual plans first. So on my schedule this week was, first we had academic awards, also sports awards. We did both together this year instead of doing a sports banquet. So I just used a clear asterisk from Sadie's stickers to put on the little label, and then I just used a pumpkin paper co-girl to mark in our lunch. We had lunch on the lawn and we had hamburgers and it was really fun. The kids just were happy to be together and outside. So for my videos, I just used these little arrows from, I don't even remember where they're from. My Newest Addiction, perhaps. But anyway, Monday was my regular scheduled plan with me. Tuesday was a memory plan with me. And then Friday was my teacher lesson planner flip through, along with my thoughts on the end of the year and all that. So I just pulled a few extra boxes because while there's a bunch of labels in this kit, there's not a ton of boxes anymore in the mini kit, so I just pulled some extras. So I'm just pulling in this Fox and Pip girl with the pink balloons to mark in my 37th birthday. Had a great birthday. It was a really good day. And then that box underneath was for my workout, which ended up not happening. I just ended up being on the phone with my family, different family members, throughout the whole evening, which was perfect. And then Tuesday, I was supposed to get my blue apron. It did not come on Tuesday, but I just left it as is. And then that label underneath was for my workout for that day. So on to Wednesday. Our grades were due on Wednesday, and so I'm just marking that in with a Once More with Love munchkin, kind of a stressed work munchkin. And then below that, I wanted to mark in that my kids were presenting their presentation or their project on this day, and so I just used a little gold foiled quarter box there. And then for the last day of school, I wanted to do something a little bit special, so I'm just going to do a little bit of layering on a half box. So I put in my little, it was supposed to be my workout box. It ended up being happy hour, which is totally fine with me. But I just layered the last day of school box here from Virgo and Paper and a Fox and Pip girl, and marked in our field day and our staff luncheon. The field day was so fun. We also had graduation practice that day, but it was a good time. Lots of laughing. And then on a Friday here, I'm marking in that we were working from home, along with I was going to go get my traditional snow cone, which I always get in the last day of school, but the snow cone stand is not open yet. It's a little bit early. So I will do that when it opens, like next week or the next. But it was nice to work from home that day. We had some professional development to get done. And then I'm just going to use some of the washi to add in to that little space underneath. I was originally going to have that for my workout, but I wasn't feeling it. That's the theme for this week. Just wasn't feeling the workouts. So I just added in just that strip of washi there. And it became editing my last week of school vlog, which is really fun. It'll be up next, like probably Wednesday, if you're watching this video during the week that it comes out. So on Saturday, we had graduation at 10 a.m. So I'm just marking that in with a Fox and Pip little cap and diploma. And then underneath that, again, supposed to be a workout, ended up being a happy hour. And then I put in a emoji from Coffee Monster's code to mark in writing my summer morning routine. And then on Sunday, I wanted to take up the whole space and mark off like the whole day as a no day. And if you don't know what a no day is, it's where you basically say no to everything and you just do what you want and just kind of like relax. And so I'm to start off summer and just kind of reset a little bit. I wanted to have a no day, which I haven't done in a really, really long time. So I think it's going to be really, really good. So I just layered a Fox and Pip girl along with a flag just to kind of fill that space. I think it'll be really nice. I'm really looking forward to it. And then just to finish up this spread, I am opening up the whole spread and filling in my checklists and my habits. So just added a couple things to my checklist and then my habits this week, keeping it pretty simple, closing all my rings, which miraculously I did. It was just a lot of walking around this week, reading every day and 15 minutes of intuitive eating learning. And I missed a couple here and there, but did pretty good on my habits this week. So here is how this spread is turning out. It is almost finished. I do have some things to get done. Whatever doesn't get done today can get done next week. I am filming on Saturday. I'm about to go to happy hour in about an hour. And tomorrow I'm doing nothing. So whatever doesn't get done in the next hour is going to get pushed to next week, which is totally fine because next week is the first week of summer. I'm so excited. I'm really looking forward to kind of finding a routine that works for me for each day and just kind of working a little more intensely on my goals. But this week I have no goals to show you because I didn't write them, which turned out to be a really good idea for this week because I truly enjoyed all of the celebrations this week. Just such a good week. It was my birthday on a Monday, and then on Wednesday and Thursday we had a graduation practice. This was super fun. We had a really cool field day and a staff luncheon, go really funny happy hour. And then I got to work from home yesterday, which was nice. And then graduation this morning. So it was just really, really good week. And I will have a vlog of this week up next week. I think Wednesday I will get it up. I have most of it edited. I just haven't quite finished it up yet. But something to look forward to next week. Let me show you what I have left in the kit. So I've got some glitter headers left, some washi, a couple full boxes. I'm going to save some of the deco. Not all of it though. A couple boxes, and that's it. So I really enjoyed this kit. I didn't know if I was going to like it or not because it's not really my typical color scheme or theme or anything, but I do really like how it turned out. It's super cute. And I love like the subtle foiling. There's not like a ton, but it's just it's kind of cute. I might add some more foil before I like completely finish it up, but this is pretty much it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you next time. Bye.